nating initial resistance is going to be your 78. Kapag pinataw niya ito, no? If this one, pure TA tayo, again, the technical analysis here can get invalidated because the market has its own bias. Kapag ito, palagay ko lang naman, tumama doon, tapos, di ba, inaakit niya ngayon dyan. Pag umakit pa yan dyan at nagkaroon ng rejection, pwede niyang babain, no? And this one can act as a support. This is an important support. Pwedeng mag-McDonald's yan dyan, no? Pwede ka mag-double top, therefore this becomes an important support. Pero kapag ito naman ay inangat niya, no? For example, the market said, you know what, kailangan kong iangat to, right? Ang gagawin nating initial resistance is going to be your 78.50. Itong candle na ito needs to break out on the initial 78. Okay?